Okay, on this quick, simple little video, I'm going to show you how to purchase and how to forward or link your domain name to whichever marketing site you're going to be using. We'll get into lead capture pages and things like that at another time. But right now, I want you to go ahead and purchase a name and link it to whichever site you have already decided to use. Now, I am just logging into GoDaddy. I'm going to go through this really quickly because I'm assuming that most people kind of have an idea about what GoDaddy is all about. It's GoDaddy. There will be a link on this page that you can click on that will take you to a GoDaddy site. All you do, where it says to start your domain search, now sometimes pages, they might change the look of the page, but you look for the part where it says to search for a domain name. Now I'm going to search for one that's already taken, so you'll see what happens, and then I'll search for one that's not taken, so you'll see the difference. So one of my main domain names is partner with Roz.com. And if I search for that name, I already know that it's taken because I already own it. What it's going to say is partnerwithroz.com is already taken. So what if I were to say partner, keep doing it wrong, with roznow.com and do a search? I didn't check this, but I'm sure nobody has that. Okay, that's available. You guys, this is what I want to point out to you. You shouldn't be paying any more than around $10 for your domain name. Sometimes you can get them a little bit less, but certainly no more than $10 or so. One thing about GoDaddy, they will constantly try to upsell you on other products that they have available. Skip all of that. Always say no whenever they ask you if you want extra things, and just go through the process. Go ahead and check out and purchase your name. Once you own your name, then you're going to manage that domain. You're going to click on your domain manager, and it's going to help you to do the next step. Now, what I'm going to do is just really quickly walk you through what you want to do when it comes to linking up a site. Now, let me show you what I mean by linking up a site. This is our regular training site, the site that you're looking at right now, Millions by Choice. Now, if you look up here, if you can see this, you'll notice the raw domain, should I say, the root of where this page is hosted. It's hosted with homestead.com, but I don't want to use Homestead as the domain name. I could have hosted it like on WordPress or HostGator or something like that, but because I built it through Homestead, then that they are the ones that's hosting it. But what I'm going to do now is show you what linking will do and why you're going to want to link your name. I'm going to pull this whole title that you would go to right now if you were to pull up this page, and I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to go to my domain manager in GoDaddy, and I'm going to find the domain name. Now you're probably not going to have this many domain names. I've got quite a few because I do a lot of stuff online. But let's just say we're going to take our Millions by Choice domain and we're going to forward it. Just put a check in the box. Click on the green arrow that says forward. When it drops down, don't click it yet. Just put your mouse on it. Click on forward domain. Very, very simple process. So what it's telling me now is that I'm going to forward the domain name Millions by Choice to that long domain name that you saw at the top of our Millions by Choice website. Remember, I copied this. All I'm doing now is I'm pasting it, but make sure they already have this selected, whether it's a secured, with the HTTPS or just a regular HTTP. When I copied this, I also captured the HTTP, but the amazing thing, they always will get rid of it even though you don't go in and delete it. But I always tell people to double check to make sure that the HTTP does not show up in here, because that'll kind of mess the whole thing up. So now that you've got that long website here and you've got your HTTP selected, click on update. It's going to already be there. Update my DNS settings. All you have to do is click on OK. Now what's going to end up happening, it's going to take it a while before it actually propagates through the entire internet system. It could take anywhere from 5 minutes to a couple of hours. It just depends on how busy the internet is at the time. But now what's going to happen is when people just put in the domain name millionsbychoice.com, it's going to bring up this website instead of having to use all of this. And so that's why we recommend that you find something that's catchy, something that um, you can remember, that you will easily be able to tell other people when it comes time for you to get your domain name. And I simply wanted to do this quick little video to show you how to go in and forward your domain name. It's very, very simple to do. And once you purchase it, you can immediately go in and forward the link to wherever you would like for it to go. And by the way, anytime that you want to change that to go from the page that you've linked it to another page, all you have to do is go back through the process that you just saw me do and put in a new link, and it's done for you. Okay, so just wanted to do this quick video. Go ahead now and get your domain name. If you don't know yet what you're going to link it to, don't worry about it, but at least get the name purchased, and that way when it's time to link it to your lead capture page, that part will be done. So go ahead and take care of that now. Again, the link on this page will take you directly to GoDaddy. Have fun. Talk to you on the next page.